In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your website to Hostinger with this comprehensive step-by-step guide. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or someone who's just starting out, this tutorial is designed to walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger homepage. You can do this by entering the URL in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, the familiar interface will greet you. What you'll need to do next is locate and click on the Websites section. This can usually be found on the top menu or within the dashboard once you've logged in. When you're on the Websites page, look for the Add Website button. Don't worry if you can't find it right away. It's usually clearly labeled to guide you through the process. By clicking on Add Website, you'll be prompted to start the migration process, which we're aiming to complete today. Now that you've clicked Add Website, it's time to focus on the Migrate Website option. Selecting this choice will initiate Hostinger's migration tool, cleverly designed to simplify the task of moving your website from another host. This tool is remarkably user-friendly, even for those who might not have much experience with website migrations. Once you're in the migration tool, you'll see an option titled Use Login Details. Here's a quick tip. Having your login information ready beforehand will make this step much more seamless. Click on Use Login Details to proceed. This option is pivotal as it allows Hostinger to access your current hosting platform and gather necessary data for the migration. Next, it's time to upload your backup files. These files are crucial as they contain all your website's content and settings. Without them, your new site on Hostinger won't be identical to your previous one. Click on Upload Backup Files and ensure you have the correct backup files stored on your device. Be patient while your files upload, as this might take a few moments. Finally, when your backup files have been uploaded, it's time to click Next. This step brings everything you've done together, propelling your website toward its new home on Hostinger. Congratulations, you've now initiated your website migration to Hostinger. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to a successful website migration. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to explore Hostinger's extensive support resources or reach out to their support team. Migrate with confidence and enjoy the benefits of your newly hosted website.